Hello, I know you need a lot of visitors on your website, but how you can achieve that, especially in a cost-effective way? Yeah, there's challenge. I know you have to write articles regularly and publish them. You cannot compromise this. Updating your content of your website is a must, but you cannot change your landing page content regularly. That is not feasible, but you can do is continuously publishing new content on the blog section of your website. Sometimes you may need to create new images, need to create videos, reels, and sometimes publish listicles and other type of articles. But I know you are busy, so that is a great challenge for you, and I have solved that challenge using AI automation, but without compromising quality. AI does much more quality than human. Well, why you need a lot of time on your blog? Because you have to write articles yourself, or you have to create images. Sometimes you may need to collect related video, because embedding a video on your blog article creates a more SEO value, and it increases average session time on your blog and overall of your website. Well, sometimes you need to create internal links and find authoritative external links. You need to perform complete on-page SEO overall, and this is not end here. You have to publish them, especially on a schedule. That is a great challenge. You cannot write 5 articles and publish at a time. No, you cannot do that. You have to follow a patterned timeline to post, so you have to schedule them. So there is a lot of hassle. Yeah, I know. So I have a powerful solution for you, a solution that writes better than human. That software is Nany Article. Now I will show that. Here it is, Nany Article. Uh, let's see what does it do. It writes SEO article that feels totally human, and it enforces 30 plus SEO criteria in one click. And you want to see the features, it creates expert level articles that maintains Google's EEAT guideline, and there is no AI fluff. All are long articles, research backed and backed with value. Yes, it is SEO optimized, as well as it is optimized for AEO, or what you call it is GEO, whatever it is. It is optimized for AI snippet. And if you use Yoast or rank math, you will see a high SEO score there. It creates and collects images related to your articles, curates them. It also embeds the alt text for the images, so it performs image SEO. It creates high DAPA links and embeds to your articles. It automatically publishes to your WordPress website, and it's plagiarism free and unique content, no AI tone. Your readers will feel it is written by human. And also it has an autopilot feature. Once you set, autopilot will be continuously publishing valuable research-backed articles. You don't need to do anything, and that is Nany Article. So why that software matters? Because you never miss a schedule by handling manually. Software will do automatically everything, and a lot of quality articles with regular basis brings a lot of quality visitors that may turn into your buyers. So you should try Nany Article. I have given the link in the description.